ज़मीन खरीदने के कानून में बदलाव के खिलाफ यूएन से तुरंत हस्तक्षेप की मांग की है और आरोप लगाया है कि यह भारत की साजिश है कश्मीर की आबादी को अल्पसंख्यक में तब्दील करने की। इस पर भारत सरकार का क्या कहना है? शैलेंद्र फ्रॉम न्यूज़ 18 हैज़ आस्क्ड। पाकिस्तान ने कल बयान जारी कर कश्मीर के नए लैंड लॉ पर टिप्पणी की है। इस पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया है? सिद्धांत फ्रॉम वियॉन हैज़ आस्क्ड, पाकिस्तान हैज़ कम अप विद अ स्टेटमेंट ऑन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर लैंड लॉ, एनी रिएक्शन? Similar question from Abdul Samad from UNI Urdu.
You would be aware that the government has taken a number of measures in recent times for socio-economic development and for improvement of livelihood in the Union Territory of J&K, which is an integral part of India. Therefore, these decisions relate to internal affairs of India, and no country has a locus standi to comment on this.
शैलेंद्र फ्रॉम न्यूज़ 18 हैज़ आस्क्ड, अगले महीने गुरु नानक देव जयंती पर पाकिस्तान ने सिख श्रद्धालुओं को न्योता भेजा है। क्या अगले महीने कुछ दिनों के लिए करतारपुर कॉरिडोर खोला जाएगा?
शैलेंद्र जी, करतारपुर कॉरिडोर का मूवमेंट सस्पेंड हुआ था, आपको ज्ञात होगा, कोविड-19 सिचुएशन के चलते। और इस समय हम सारे कंसर्न्ड अथॉरिटीज़, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स से संपर्क में हैं और इस कॉरिडोर को रीओपन करने का डिसीजन कोविड प्रोटोकॉल और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस जब ईज होंगे उस समय अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम पे लिया जाएगा।
अखिलेश सुमन फ्रॉम राज्यसभा टीवी हैज़ आस्क्ड, हाउ इज एयर बबल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर अरेंजमेंट्स? एयर बबल अग्रीमेंट हैज़ बीन फाइनलाइज्ड विद बांग्लादेश, व्हाट आर द डिटेल्स?
Akhilesh ji, air bubble arrangements are specific to the Vande Bharat mission, and under these arrangements, foreign airlines agree to organize their flights as per specific requirements of the mission. And coming specifically to the air bubble arrangement with Bangladesh, you would recall that at the 6th meeting of the Joint Consultative Commission, which was held between the foreign ministers of the both sides on 29th of September, we agreed that we would initiate air travel bubble flights between the two sides, and this was essentially to meet the requirement of travelers on both sides. And pursuant to this understanding, the bilateral air bubble has been operationalized from the 28th of October. 2 flights of the US Bangla Airlines flying on Dhaka-Kolkata and Dhaka-Chennai sectors were operated on the 28th of October. And this inaugural flight was flagged off jointly by our High Commissioner as well as the Chairman of the Civil Aviation Authority of Bangladesh and the CEO of US Bangla Airlines.
And in a massive and shocking admission coming in, Pak's Minister Fawad Chaudhry has confessed on the floor of the Pakistan's National Assembly, and he was heard boasting on the floor of the Pakistan National Assembly that Pulwama was a great achievement of Imran Khan government. He has said, and I quote, that ghar mein ghus kar mara. Pakistan now stands completely exposed. Listen in to how they boast about Pulwama, calling it Imran Khan's success. But before that, we'll go across to my colleague Shivani, joining us live with more on this. Shivani, this at a point we are seeing from the very beginning, Pakistan has been in a way denying its role in the Pulwama attack, where we lost 40 of our brave hearts. But now this admission coming in on the floor of the Pakistan Assembly completely exposes the role of Pakistan in the Pulwama attack.
Pakistan is a terror funding state. India has been facing the terrorist activities in Jammu and Kashmir since last so many years. But today, Pakistan has admitted itself that yes, it is a terror funding state. It is a terror state. How the minister is blatantly full of audacity. He's saying that ghar mein ghus ke mara. And nothing can be more shameful than this, that Pakistan, on the one hand, it wants to get exempted from the grey list of FATF, and it is now admitting that it is openly funding the terror activities in India. Pulwama, where 40 brave CRPF soldiers were, India lost them. And today, now, let me tell you, I'm getting reactions from the people in the army and also other defense forces. They are saying that now this is time when Pakistan needs to be taught a lesson. And this is also an evidence which Pakistan has itself given to the authorities.
In fact, Shivani, stay with us. We'll come back to you shortly.